Cha 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 Igbo kwenu.
Igbo na-emepe obodo. Igbo na-achị obodo. Igbo na-eme ọfụma. Igbo nọ n'ime afịa. Igbo na diaspora. Igbo na entertainment. Igbo na government. Anyị na-emefe siri ike. Anyị na-emefe kalaka. Anywhere you went, I will take you. I walk I never see beautiful people.
Please welcome to 2017 Igbo Association of Victoria.
If you see me, call me anywhere I enter, they call me
On behalf of Igbo Association of Victoria, we want to welcome every one of you.
My name is Chief Kenna Agu. I'm from Obinagu.
From my time when I was a child, it's a very important time.
It's a very remarkable day.
If you see me, call me
We, the Igbos, wherever we are, know we are here. We are never a silent community.
Therefore, I'm the secretary of the Igbo Association of Victoria. I come from Anambra State.
Iriji, what does this mean? Why is this so important for the Igbo community?
All right, the Iriji Festival is basically a Thanksgiving festival.
Ndo kasizia na aya kpokuzine nna.
We are not saying that this year was a bumper harvest.
Simple.
We are saying that we got the best. Look at the type of yam that we
Giant one of them.
Yam, maka.
Everywhere you went, I was there. I walk I never see beautiful people. If you see me, call me anywhere I enter, they call me Echebe na Nambara Nkeme kofo Aseni jikofo Aichichebe nusewi Nkema si group of companies Industrialist iwoche monu Echebe nukofia Atese kubo Aseni jisike Okobola Aichichebe nusewi Eba manu flavor Onye kuti iwoche monu I walk I never see beautiful people.
Adandibo 2017, a symbol of the Igbo woman.
Igbo mara mma. Igbo mara mma. Where ya gawa? Second.
This is not for the faint of heart. Igbo culture. Masquerade. Igbo masquerade.
Ayah